Hey guys, it's the Unicorn of Wall Street and welcome to my channel. Here we talk about trading, crypto, strategies, and almost anything that crosses my mind. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so today I wanted to talk about Bitcoin. Many eyes are on Bitcoin. This is the year of the Bitcoin. It feels like it's always the year of the Bitcoin. I want to make it short. And I want to absolutely get this out before NFP because I believe that this move could happen today. So I would like to get this out. And then if it doesn't happen today, then the weekend kicks in and you can go and see my weekend Bitcoin strategy. So here's Bitcoin on a 4-hour chart. I trade off of 4-hour charts. As you can see, since the 23rd of January, we had this nice push up. This comes from a correction up at around 45,000. We are pretty much in a consolidation range phase. I believe that Bitcoin is more bearish than bullish until the halving. I believe that when institutional money comes in play, yes, it is ultimately a bullish sign, but actually these big institutional hands want to push down the market and buy at a better price instead of just running up with it. That's usually what they like to do. That said, probably consolidation is what's going to happen. And if that's the case, this right here looks like an area for a good buy. Now, there is a fair value gap right here. You can see it up here between the 42,700 and the 42,280. So this potentially is a little bit of a bounce up here and the market can keep on going up. I believe that since we are in consolidation and NFP is about to come out in an hour and a half, the highs here and the bounce here is in a range that is kind of too tight. You would imagine that with big news coming out like NFP, there will be a bigger move. The bigger move in this case regarding this push up, as you can clearly see, has these two candles, these two 4-hour candles that left a fair value gap right here. I marked it off. And this area should be closely looked at in a day like today for a liquidity buy. So what ultimately you will potentially see is a push down. Market comes right around this area and pushes back up in a nice consolidation range type of price action. As you can see here, around the 19th and the 18th, there is some nice wicks that happened. We can draw some lines here. So right around 40,500, which again is a nice round number. Keep in mind that when news comes out, there's always this extra volume that comes in. So the areas in normal market conditions, many times you'll see a nice, let's say, kiss to the price, and then you move in that direction. In this case, it tends to be a little bit more sloppy. So keep these as a reference. And maybe keep your stops a little bit wider. Also remember, volatility means wider spreads, slips, and all that stuff. So this is the move that I would like to see today. From where the price is now, the more aggressive entry is right on the top of the fair value gap, and then basically go back to around these highs. The safest trade is right around where you see this area here, right around 41.742. So that could be your first target. Probably a good idea would be at this level. Let me close this. Right around this level, you would want to bring your trade to your stop loss to break even, so it's a free trade. The more conservative entry is right around these levels here. I like round numbers, so I would probably suggest right around 4,500. But keep in mind, I wouldn't keep the lowest value of the fair value gap as your stop loss, because there is a lot of wicking going around here, and you might just get stopped out and then the market moves in your direction. In any case, I like right around here, 4,500, and again up until 42, and then you bring your stop loss to break even. Ultimately, the market can then come back and retest this fair value gap right up here. And in that case, yeah, your take profit can be right around here, 42,300, or you can just go to the top of the range and maybe keep on moving your stop loss around with it. I'll just mark this off at the low of the fair value gap. That's 42,300 roughly. Keep in mind that brokers and exchanges tend to have some price difference, so go on your 4-hour chart and just make sure that your levels are roughly these, and then you can put in your orders. But yeah, that's what I think can possibly happen today. And then usually low volume weekend comes in, and at that point you have the range strategy that there's a video of the range strategy on my channel, so you can reference to that one. But yeah, I just wanted to get this out today for NFP, and we'll see what happens. Again, there's nothing guaranteed in trading. It's just a statistical game. Do play a good risk to reward ratio, and remember volatility and spreads widening. So keep that in mind when trading today. All right, have a great day. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please do consider subscribing to the channel, as it reminds Google that I do exist. Till next time, stay safe and follow the rainbow.